know you need to come give me that dick. He wanna hit from the back cause I'm thick. I like the when I get lit. Yeah, tell me this.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry if the lighting looks like a mess right now. Like I have two different lights going on. It's dark outside, so the light looks terrible. Luckily, the whole video, the lighting is pretty good. So yeah, today as you can tell, I have a hair tutorial for you guys, which is these butterfly locks. I've heard different names for them, like infinity locks, butterfly locks. I personally feel like butterfly locks fits this hairstyle the best because it just looks so creepy. Like it just looks different. Like, and butterflies, you know, they're pretty different. Every butterfly is different. And this hairstyle is definitely gonna come out different for everybody that does it. So before I get into this video, if you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. I'm so glad you clicked on this video. If you end up enjoying this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll have everything in the description box. So make sure you go check it out. Before I start rambling, let's just get into this video. Hair pre-parted because I find that it makes the process go by much easier and quicker. But what I'm showing you guys in this clip is how I fold my hair since I'm doing a bob length, and obviously my hair is longer than the bob, so I'm just going to show you how I crochet and fold it. I just wanted to show you guys what the hair that I'm using is. It's just spring twist hair. Just want to include this clip of me separating the hair just in case anybody struggles with separating the hair because it can get a bit tangly. That's why I'm using Mousse. The rest of this process is pretty much easy to follow. All you gotta do is crochet the hair into the braid. Make sure you have every hair tucked in, including the ends that you folded, and then you just want to wrap downwards, and then I will show you guys how to get that loose kind of feel, you know, the curly messy look. Just want to stick your finger in between the hair. As you can take out as much hair as you want. I just wanted a little bit, so I didn't take much. And then you just want to wrap 2 times above where your finger is, slide your finger out, and then continue wrapping downwards. As I get to the ends, I use freeze spray to seal the ends so I don't have to use a lighter or nail glue. It's just easier, and I had some on hand, so it worked pretty fine.
Don't stress, don't body. You going crazy. Turn me on, turn me on. Don't stress, don't body. Turn me on, turn me on. Don't stress, no body. 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 You got me going crazy.
You feeling the strip for the rest, no. Feeling the strip for the rest, no. Feeling the strip for the rest, no. Feeling the strip for the rest. Feeling the strip for the rest. Feeling the strip.
Y'all, I'm finally on the last one. I've been doing my hair since 1 o'clock. It was like 1:30 when I started my hair. Guess what time it is? Guess what time it is? It is 7:15. I know I've taken probably like a handful of breaks, like a little 10-minute breaks here and there, but I did not think this was gonna take this long. Like, I really didn't. That's the reason why I didn't do them extra long, because I didn't want to take forever. Just imagine if I would have did them longer. I would have been halfway done. Oh Lord Jesus. And my legs hurting, my knees hurting, y'all.
Don't stress nobody. Got me going crazy. Turn me on, turn me on. Let me hold you. Girl, don't stress nobody. Hold you. Girl, don't stress nobody. Girl, don't stress nobody. Girl, don't stress nobody. Let me hold you. Girl, don't stress nobody. Girl, don't stress nobody. Girl, don't stress nobody. Got me going.
It's a good feeling. And it is.
Woo, child. Child. I'm finally done. And this might seem like a lot of hair to y'all, but I feel like honestly this is like the perfect amount of hair for this hairstyle. Because like when I, ooh, it's tight. When I style it, it'll look better than like just having little tiny ones. And I probably won't wear it like down like this anyways. I'll probably wear it like this or something, or in a ponytail or whatever. But what I'm about to do right now is I'm going to put some mousse on my hair. And the thing that's making me mad is I cannot find my scarf, y'all. Let me see if I can find my scarf right quick. If I can find my scarf right quick, then we're gonna be good. If not, then found it. Period. Okay. So yeah, I'm about to put some mousse on my hair. Then I'm gonna go take a shower, and hopefully the steam from me taking the shower will loosen up my hair, because I've seen people like say that will help loosen up locks, like on regular faux locks. But usually they just put a wet towel on top of your head, but I honestly do not want to do that because my hair reverts really fast and I do not want my roots to start turning curly. So we just gonna go take a shower. I'm using my favorite mousse, by the way. This is Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, the coconut and shea butter joint. Favorite mousse, I'm telling y'all. Like ever since I've used it for the first time, I have not stopped using it. I'll be right back to show y'all the finished look, and I'll give y'all a couple styles too. And I'm back. As y'all can see, I have the lights now because it's getting dark outside. I love this color hair. Like I use this hair, this is the second time I use this hair. I use this hair for some spring twists. I'm gonna insert the picture over here if I can, if I find it, I don't know. So I use it for some spring twists. I was like, let me use that color for, you know, the locks, because that was kind of cute. So I'm gonna turn around and show y'all what it looks like before I put these hair jewelry on. And don't judge me because I don't know what it looked like back there. It feels fine. So the back row of my head, like the first couple rows I did, are probably the worst because it's the first time I did this hairstyle, so it's obviously not perfect. But once I started to get to the front, it was easier for me to see, so like they probably look a bit neater than the ones in the back. But it's really cute, y'all. I love this hair. Like I love it. So the shower did do a little bit, you know, the shower did make it a little bit more loose. I could kind of tell when I was in the shower, I felt like the kind of like the ease of like, not the pain, but like the tension. I felt the tension ease its way, you know, out. I'm gonna tell y'all the hair deets. Okay, so I used 3, let me see. I had a pack of hair left over when I did my spring twist, and I ordered 3 more packs because I for this hairstyle, and I have this much left of the 4th pack. So I used probably about 3.5, 4 packs. I've been trying to do this for so long, and I love this length on me. I feel like if they were longer, it would look cute, but I feel like for the summer, baby, it is hot. Y'all, it was 82 degrees at 9 p.m. yesterday. I was like, yo, this is not the summer that I thought we was gonna have. I'm just put these in here, then put this one right here. Like when I do hair jewelry, I like to put them all pretty much in the front of my head. I don't really like to put them in the back because I like to be able to see them. I don't know why. Y'all pretty much seen them when it was out, but I'm gonna see if I could do like another hairstyle with this right now. Hopefully my hair is not stiffing up. I'm trying to see if I could do the 2 ponytails hairstyle in the front, like the half up, half down, but with 2 ponytails. What the, you know what? Come on, rubber band. Ooh, I'm gonna leave this out. Put these 2 up. I don't know, Mom. I don't know what to do, Mo. I don't know. I'm trying to do a little bun. Let me see if I can do that. Okay. We did something. I mean, maybe it's a messy bun. I'm gonna pull out some to stick out like on this side. Okay, look, listen, this is not the best buns ever, but look, it is what it is right now. See, now I feel like I should have put some of the jewelry on these 2. Why did I do that? Because this is my attempt at the hairstyle. It's not the neatest, and it's not the best, but I'm probably not gonna wear this, you know, for that long anyway, so we just gonna ignore that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. I hope you guys do well if you attempt to do this hairstyle. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. I'll have all the details and links to all the hair and products that I use down below. And I think that is it. I hope I'm not missing anything. I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Hey, touch me up.